Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market review. And we will figure out, is it still bearish trend or it changed to bullish? Let's see what's going on with the stock market on monthly time frame. Let's move to trading view. If you want to learn more about trading view, just go to the description and there is the link about trading view setup training and other links about all my trainings. Feel free to learn about it. Okay, let's start from SPY, right? SPY monthly time frame. SPY monthly time frame. Let me try to maximize it. Yeah, like this one. Oh, maybe it's too thick. Like this one. Like this. Green line, it's a major trend line. For last month we closed above the major trend line. We still below the previous month. We'll see. We have 2 more days to go. Maybe we'll close above the previous month. It will be bullish, but if not, it will be kind of bearish. Still bearish signal. MACD still bearish, and still downtrend. Even bar close above the major trend line. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover over MA10. Still bearish. Let me tell you about my setup. Sorry, I did not mention to you. Let me tell you. I'm using moving averages. White line it's MA200, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5. The volume, it's a bars, it's a volume, and only one indicator. I'm using only one indicator. MACD indicator, white line, it's a signal line, and green line, it's a bullish MACD line. When it changed to red, it's a bearish trend, bearish MACD line. Yellow line, it's zero line between bullish and bearish territory. That's how simple it is, but it's not easy because of the emotions and discipline involved in the trading. Let's move back to SPY on monthly time frame. Still bearish time frame on MACD indicator. Green bar, and it closed above MA5 and 10. Still below MA20 and below MA20 and below the previous month still below it. We'll see what we have 2 more days to go. We'll see what we get. Okay, and one more thing, I don't trade on the monthly or weekly time frame. I just monitor it as a market direction. It's good for investors, and I don't use it for trading for daily trading. For swing trading, I am using 4 hours and daily time frame. That's the best time frame for swing trading. Okay, let's move to weekly. Let's see weekly SPY, what SPY tells us on weekly time frame. The same major I'm sorry, I touched the major line. Let me maximize major. Okay, major trend line. We close above the major trend line. First time since January 2022. The first time happened. We touched that 5 times already, multiple times, but it closed this week. We closed last time, we closed this week above the major trend line. MA5 did bullish crossover, it's a bullish. MACD still bullish. I can say it's still bullish trend. Yeah, still bullish trend on MACD. We have bullish trend on weekly, and monthly it's a bearish, right? What we have. Let's move to Qs. Monthly time frame, similar story. Major trend line, and last month we close above the major trend line. That's bullish. That's great. That's great. We'll see what we will get for the next couple days, and we did close above the previous month. Q's close above the previous line almost. We'll see. We will have 2 days. 2 days. How it will close about next 2 days. We'll see. And yeah, it's kind of we have only one. Yeah, it's still bearish trend, right? Bearish trend on MACD, no changes. Still bearish trend, even we have bullish bar, green bar. Still bearish trend on monthly time frame. Let's go to weekly. Let's see weekly. Weekly, similar trend line. We did touch that trend line four times. And this is the last week. It was the first week we closed above this major trend line. That's nice, and it's kind of let's do this one. Price action is uptrend buy signal on a script. MA5 did bullish crossover over 20 and 10 and 200. It's a bullish signal. MACD green bullish, right? We have everything bullish. It's nice. It's nice. The only one pain that we have, MA20. MA20 is a pain. It did bearish crossover. This is the yellow line, MA20. It did bearish crossover over MA200. And we observed the same bearish crossover, bearish crash. Last time we observed the bearish crash. I'm sorry. We observed the same bearish crash in, let me show you, 14 years ago. Yellow line MA20 never did bearish crossover over white line. Look at it, I show you. Last 14 years. Yellow line never crossed MA200. The last time it happened, it was October 2008. October 2008 when we did bearish crossover, when MA20 yellow line did bearish crossover. That's how powerful it is. And after that, what happened? We did market crash, market, it was recession, double bottom, and after that it was bullish crossover. That's what we have, and let's see how it can handle. Let's move it. Let's check again. Yellow line. Monitor the yellow line. It did bullish crossover in 2008. This is 2009, right? In 2008 it did bearish crossover. In 2009, October 2009, a year later, it did bullish crossover. And after that, look at that, it never did bearish crossover. Yellow line was always above MA200, above white line. Look at that. Bullish trend for 14 years. 14 years later, MA20 yellow line did bearish crossover again. Be ready, be careful. I believe this year we will see market crash. We will see market crash. And remember, I don't fight with the market trend. I do follow market trend. I follow market trend. I don't fight it. Okay, buy signal, bullish trend on the weekly time frame. On monthly, still bearish for Qs. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Dow Jones MA5 did bullish crossover. It's a bullish signal, and Dow Jones on monthly time frame. Let's see. Let me maximize it. For some reason, yeah, let's maximize. Monthly time frame, yeah, we have two trend lines. We have two trend lines, and the last bar above the all major trend lines. And it's kind of weak. It's kind of weak month, right? Not like SPY, not like Qs. It's a lower than previous month. It's still kind of bearish, but buy signal on the moving averages on the May 5, and it's still above the major line. It's still at the May 20. At the May 20, still, yeah, kind of positive. Still positive, but on MACD it's still bearish, but it's ready for bullish crossover. Looks like on monthly Dow kind of bullish. We'll see what we'll get next week. It's a positive. It's only one index on the monthly time frame positive and bullish. It's a Dow Jones on monthly time frame. Let's check on weekly time frame. Let's check on weekly time frame. Dow Jones still, yeah, bars below, between trend lines. MACD is ready for bearish crossover. It's ready for bearish crossover, but still buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover. It's kind of, yeah, it's kind of ready to, yeah, it's still bullish on weekly time frame also. Weekly time frame bullish and monthly time frame bullish. That's what we have for Dow Jones. Let's move to IWM Russell 2000 monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, buy signal, green bar. It's already close above the previous bar. Month is not over. Anything can happen. Buy signal, bullish signal only on the monthly time frame, but MACD is still red. Still red. It's ready to change direction, but still red. MA5 ready for bullish crossover also. Kind of mixed mode, no full confirmation on monthly time frame for IWM. Let's move to weekly. Weekly, it's definitely bullish trend. Weekly, it's a bullish trend, right? Weekly last bar below above the previous bar, and it's above all moving averages, above the major trend line, above MA200. MA5 did bullish crossover over MA200. MACD green, it's a bullish trend, weekly bullish trend for IWM. Let's move to Apple. Apple monthly time frame. Let's see what's going on with Apple. Monthly time frame for Apple. Bearish trend for Apple monthly. Bearish on MACD and bearish, yeah, it closed below MA 200, 5 and 10. Bearish trend for Apple, even it has green bar, but that green bar didn't close above the previous bar yet. Still bearish on monthly. Let's move to weekly. Weekly, it's a different picture. Last three bars bullish. Last bar close above MA20. Bullish signal, buy signal in the script. MACD ready for bullish crossover. Looks like Apple on weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla bullish crossover. Bullish crossover. Bullish crossover on the Tesla on the moving averages on weekly. Weekly bullish bar, it touched the MA 200. Maybe it will be rejected from MA 200. MACD is still red, but it's already ready for bullish crossover. On weekly, it's kind of bullish. On monthly, it's still bearish. No changes. Still bearish on monthly time frame. Tesla still bearish on monthly time frame. Even last bar didn't close above the previous bar. Still bearish. Bearish on monthly. Weekly wants to go bullish. Let's move to BABA. BABA monthly. Buy signal and buy signal, buy mode on monthly. It's huge month, huge move. MACD bullish signal, MA5 ready for bullish crossover. It touched MA20. It touched MA20. MA20 is strong resistance. It can bounce from it. It can bounce from it, from MA20. Let's see. Let's see what will happen next week, next month. And we still have 2 more days to go in the month. Still, yeah, bullish signal on BABA on monthly time frame. First time bullish signal since February 2021. First time bullish signal. MACD, look at it. From January 20 to 2001. First time signal, bullish signal on monthly time frame. Weekly, it was bearish for the whole year. Yeah, for all year. All year or 2 years? Look at lab, sorry. This is the crossover. January 2001, January 2002, and now January 2003. 2 years it was bearish. 2 years BABA was bearish. Now it's the first month after the 24 months. It's a bullish crossover on MACD. Bullish crossover first time. That's nice. How nice to do even trade on the, if you are an investor. You got sell mode here on the script, MACD confirmation, get in a short position and hold it up to date for 2 years. Now it's a buy signal. Buy it. Just sell this short position and buy long position for BABA and you will be successful. The sell was from 270 and now the buy signal from 80, right? From 80, 90. From 90. Huge move, huge profit, huge gain. Let's check weekly BABA. Weekly BABA. Buy signal weekly for several weeks already in bullish trend weekly. The one negative thing, it's a kind of, it is on the resistance level. This is, look at it, it's a lot of resistance here, a lot of resistance. It definitely wants to have resistance and wants to have correction because the last bar very far from MA20. Very far from MA20 and it should connect back to MA20. It should touch the MA20. And it will be like kind of around 90. It will be kind of around 90. Could be around 90. Maybe it will go lower. I don't know. But it was bullish on monthly. You see, I showed you. It's a first bullish crossover on monthly time frame for last 24 hours. Weekly, it's still bullish. Monthly bullish. And only one negative thing, it's far from MA20. It was some correction. Okay, let's do summary. Weekly and monthly time frame, all indexes bullish. I'm sorry. Let's start again. Weekly time frame, all indexes bullish on weekly time frame, and Tesla and Apple and BABA bullish on weekly time frame. On monthly time frame, all indexes still bearish. On monthly time frame. That's what we have. And like I showed you already, yeah, Q's bearish on monthly time frame, and I showed you already, Q's MA20 did bearish crossover. It is signal for market crash in 2023. That's the powerful moving averages. Power of MA20, MA200. I even created short video. You can go and check. Short video, 1 minute. You can watch this pattern. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment or financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Please review it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for indexes, stocks, ETFs, and cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels. Click like button to support YouTube channel. Click the notification button to get all my notifications about all my videos, and you will be successful. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.